Is your smart home really as secure as you think? You've got smart lights, a smart thermostat, and maybe even a smart lock on your front door. It is convenient, futuristic, and feels safe. But what if I told you that the very technology making your life easier could also be a glaring security risk? Today, we are diving deep into the world of smart home security, and we are going to focus on one of the most critical components, your electronic lock and the Bluetooth Low Energy technology that powers it. Welcome back to the channel. We love exploring how technology is changing our lives, but it is just as important to understand the potential downsides. So let's talk about Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. This is the technology that allows your smartphone to communicate with your smart lock. You walk up to your door, your phone is in your pocket, and boom, the door locks. It is like magic, but this magic relies on wireless signals, and like any wireless signal, it can be intercepted. Now, you might be thinking, but my lock's connection is encrypted, and you're right. Most reputable brands use encryption. The problem isn't always with the encryption itself, but with how it's implemented. Researchers have found numerous vulnerabilities in various smart locks on the market. One common attack is called a replay attack. Imagine a hacker sitting in a car near your house. When you lock your door, they can use a special device to capture the signal your phone sends. Later, they can replay that captured signal to your lock. And just like that, you're inside. It is like they will copy your digital key without you ever knowing. Another, more sophisticated attack is the man-in-the-middle attack. This is where an attacker places a device between your phone and your lock. This device intercepts the communication, potentially reading or even altering the data being sent. They could capture your password or authentication token as it flies through the air. The scary part is, from your perspective, everything looks completely normal. Your app works, your door locks, and you remain none the wiser. So, what does this all mean? Should you rip out your smart lock and go back to a rusty old padlock? Not necessarily, but it does mean we need to be smart about our smart homes. First and foremost, do your research before you buy. Stick with well-known, reputable brands that have a good track record for security and regularly release firmware updates. And that is my second point, you always keep your devices updated. Those updates often contain crucial security patches that fix the very vulnerabilities we've been talking about. Think of it like getting a new Chrome lock for free. Third, check the settings in your locks app. Many locks offer features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security. It might require a PIN on your phone in addition to the Bluetooth proximity, a small inconvenience for a huge boost in peace of mind. You should also regularly review which devices are authorized to access your lock and remove any you didn't recognize. Finally, be mindful of your surroundings. If you notice someone suspicious loitering near your home, it's worth being extra cautious. The goal here isn't to scare you, but to empower you. Smart home technology is incredible, but with great convenience comes great responsibility. By understanding the risks and taking a few simple precautions, you can enjoy all the benefits of a connected home while keeping unwanted guests out. Your home is your castle, and in the digital age, defending it means being just as vigilant about your wireless signals as you are about your physical walls and windows. What are your thoughts on smart lock security? Do you use one? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and tips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our world. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.